Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to configure the Palo Alto high availability. Hope you have some idea about how to install Palo Alto Firewall in EVNG. If you still have no any idea, then you can go my previous video and get some idea. Okay, get some knowledge. Okay, today I am only focusing about Palo Alto high availability lab environment. Also not going to deeply about theoretical things. Okay. And here you can see my lab setup. I already configured the active firewall. Here everything's here, DHCP pool and VLAN configuration, two VLAN also created. And this is my passive firewall, is still not configured anything. Okay, then one of the links connect to the core switch, and all VLANs connect in created in active firewall. When I let me give a little bit down. Okay, this is one of my client PC. This client PC obtain IP address from DHCP pool which I created in Palo Alto Firewall. Okay, I will do another lesson about that, how to create a DHCP pool and VLANs, and this one is for the high availability. Okay, then first of all we have to verify whether we have internet access for this client PC. Okay, let me go inside the client PC and check whether I have internet connection. Okay, I'm going inside one and cmd command prompt, and let me check pin 8.8.8.8. okay, you can see successful. I can able to access the internet. Okay, and I minimize. Okay, let's go inside the my active firewall and I will show you what are the configuration which I created in this firewall. Okay, you can see there mainly I create the two VLAN 100, VLAN 101. Okay, IT and HR. I'm done. Okay, you have some idea about this. Okay, then here and also you can see I configured the active firewall and passive firewall via HA1 and HA2 links. Okay, I today I will give some little bit some basic idea about what is the purpose of HA1, what is the purpose of HA2. Okay, I'm not going to deeply discuss about those two links. Anyhow, I will do another lesson about some theoretical things and what are the parameters which are using in high availability configuration, including path monitoring and link monitoring as well. Okay, today I'm not going to implement those two features in this lab, because this lab is some basic high availability setup. Okay, let's go to the discuss with HA1 and HA2 link. Okay, mainly HA1 link, we can call the HA1 link also called as a control links, because these two peers, active firewall and passive firewall. Let me open my notepad also, then you have some idea. Here are the purpose of HA1 links. Mainly we can call as also control links. HA1 link used to exchange hellos, heartbeat messages, HA state information, management plane sync of routing and those things. And this HA1 link is a layer 3 and required IP address. Okay, because this between HAPS communicate between these peers using ICMP. That's why we need to layer 3 IP address. Okay, and you can go to most advanced things also here, including what are the port number communication between these two peers. And also, and I will little bit give some idea about the what is the heartbeat message is ICMP ping that is sent to its peer every configured heartbeat interval. Okay, it's 1,000 millisecond. Okay, and verify the network connectivity with HA peer, and every 1,000 millisecond it's verify the connectivity between HA peers. If consecutive 3 times that heartbeat fail, then HA will trigger. Also, what is the hello message? So hello message sent for the each peer and other one every configured hello interval. It's determine the HA agent is running. Okay, uh, like HA state of devices and device priority. Those are the parameters used to hello messages. Okay, like a priority. But what is the priority? HA state mean which one is the active one, which one is the passive one. Okay, I hope you get some idea about also hello message. And then we can go to the HA2 links. HA2 links we can call data link, and data link used for the synchronization session, forwarding table, IPsec security association, also ARP table, and also MAC address table. This HA2 links not need to required IP address, but you can go to IP address some special scenario. Okay, I have you some idea about HA1 links and HA2 links. Okay, I'm done. Then we can focus on our lab setup, and I will do another advanced lesson for the and explain in detail about these two links and also HA3 links and also HA4 links. Okay, some high-end models we have dedicated HA1 and HA2 port. Okay, when you are going to lower model, they have no any dedicated port, and you can use in-band management port as a HA1 and HA2. Okay, let's focus on our lab environment. Okay, then we can start our lab here. Okay, then first of all I access to the my access firewall. Okay, it's a active firewall, not access, it's active firewall. Okay, here okay, you can see this Ethernet 1/2 and 1/4 interface type is tap. You cannot form the HA when you put tap as a interface type. Then you have you should convert this interface as a HA interface. I'm going to inside the interface and interface type as a HA. Okay, I'm done here, and also 1/4 /4 KJ. Okay, I'm done with interface configuration. Then go to the device and high availability. Okay, HA communication. You see the HA communication settings is disable gray because we still not enable the HA. Then I go to the general and enable HA. Okay, enable HA. Group ID I put as one. I will come later this part also. First of all, configure the HA communication, and you can proceed with here also and configure the HA1 port. Okay, what is the port? My port is 1/2. HA1 port is 1/2. Okay, done. IP address 192.168.210 and 1, and also net mask is /30 255.255.255.252. Okay, I'm done. Then can move to HA2 link. It's a data link. Okay, what is the port? 1/4, and what is the my IP address? Okay, 210.6 192.168.210.6. okay, net mask is 255 255 255 252. Okay, I'm done. And you can go with also layer 2 as on, okay, on as a L3. It's no issue. Okay, I'm going with the L3 as IP address and click OK. Done. Okay, now I configure the HA1 link and HA2. I'm not using here HA1 backup and HA2. When you go into this real environment, then you have to create HA1 and HA2 as a base matrices. Okay, then I'm going to, let's move to general. Okay, done. I'm done with here. Go to the general and you start election setting. Okay, I'm going to this gear icon. Okay, device priority. Device priority is the lowest numeric value is the best one. Best one mean the lowest value become active. You have to always active in this device. That's why I put device priority is 90. Okay, what is the preemptive? This preemptive is very cool feature. Let me a little bit explain about this preemptive feature. Let's assume if you enable the preemptive, if the primary firewall fail, then the secondary firewall will take the active role and start to forward traffic. Okay, when the primary firewall comes up, it will immediately resume the active role as it is the device with the highest priority. Okay, it means lower numeric value. Okay, let's assume if you disable the preemptive, if the primary firewall fail, the secondary firewall will take the active role and start to forward the traffic. When the primary firewall comes up, and it will not resume the active role even though it has a higher priority setting. The device with the currently in the active role will remain in the active firewall. Okay, I hope you have some idea about what is the preemptive. Okay, then I'm going to okay with enable this preemptive. You should have enabled the both firewall as well this option. Okay, then I move to active passive setting and passive state link shutdown and auto. When you put shutdown, the all data ports are in your passive firewall, it's going to disable. Okay, when you go into auto, that firewall data ports is not disabled, but traffic not pass for that port. Okay, now I'm here, I'm going with shutdown. Okay, I will show later what is the purpose of this shutdown, passive link state shutdown. Okay, I can go with this shutdown. I'm not going with auto. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm not going with the auto. I think better I can go with the shutdown. Okay, it can prevent the unnecessary loop when I go into shutdown. Okay, here I'm done. Then I can go with again setup, and here group ID should have to same your active firewall, also your passive firewall. Then I keep as a group ID 1 here. Then I can move to down, and here move this active passive, and I'm click enable configuration sync. And what is the my peer IP address of HA1 links? Okay, here according to my setup is 210.2. okay, 192.168.210.2. Okay, I'm done. Then I'm click OK here. Now I configured everything in my active firewall. Then I can move to my passive firewall and start the configuration. Okay, here is my passive firewall. Okay, remind me later, and go to the network, and I can see the configuration. You can see it's nothing, it's empty firewall. Okay, then I'm configured 1/2 and 1/4 HA port as a convert to port as a HA. Okay, 1/2 here. Okay, 1/2. Okay, interface type. Okay, HA. If you are not doing this interface type as a HA, you didn't show when you're going to add HA1 link and HA2 links. Okay, this one also HA. Okay, I'm done. And go to the device and you start the configuration. Enable the HA and group ID also 1. Okay, I'm done. I will come later this section again. Okay, then start the HA communication. Let's configure the HA1 and HA2 link. Here HA1 link as a 1/2. Okay, 1/2 here. And what is the IP address? 192.168.210 and /2 /50 /30 255 255 255 252. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm not using gateway. Okay, HA2 also the port 1/4. And what is the IP address? 210/7 not /210.7 192.210.7 net mask 255 255 255 252. Okay, I'm done in HA1 and HA2. Then move to general setting. Start the election. Here device priority is 100. It's mean passive, and you remember the preemptive also enable here. Okay, I'm done. Okay, and active passive setting. You see passive state is shut down, and go to the setup and group ID 1. And what is the peer IP of HA1 link? Between 192.168.210.2. No, not 2, not 1. You should put active firewall IP address. So link 1. Okay, done. Okay, and commit. Here also commit, and then I have to commit the setting in my passive firewall as well. Here I will start the commit. Okay, let me start the commit. Okay, it will take some time, still progress. Okay, now the commit was successfully done. Close. Here also done. Close. Then I can check manually failover. Okay, first of all, add the widget for high availability. Go to widget and system and high availability widget. You can see the active firewall and passive firewall already configured, and you see the running configuration is still not synced. Okay, not synced yet. Okay, then I go to here and start the sync to peer and click yes. Okay, it will take some time. Meanwhile, we can go check and my passive firewall. Okay, syncing is starting. Okay, let's go my active firewall and going to still synchronization in progress. Okay, let's do in refresh. Okay, you can see synchronization is done, synced. Okay, then we can go to the passive firewall and check. Okay, you can see the all data ports are shut down state. Okay, then we can go to my client PC and check we have internet or not. Okay, you can see the successfully getting internet. Then I am going to manually failover. I'm going to device and suspend my active firewall here, operation command, and suspend local device for high availability. Before that, I'm going to my client and start to continue spin to Google. Okay, start. Then I'm move to my active firewall and suspend the local device. It's mean active firewall. Okay, I'm done. Let's see what happened. Okay, one request timeout. Two. Okay, you can see successfully it's a failover happened, and without any big issues, without any issues, successfully getting internet access. Okay, then I can log my firewall. You can see now it's logged into passive firewall. I hope you have some idea about the what is the HA configuration, and I request you to uh, comment my video, like and subscribe my channel. Your comment is very important for me. Do another more lessons, and please subscribe my channel and comment, ask any questions. I can give you an answer if I have time. Okay, hope you understand everything for this my setup. I will let's meet again another advanced lesson. Until that, thank you very much for you all.